In this video, we'll dive into creating robust Python packages, teaching you how to structure, document, and distribute your code effectively. Did you know that Python packages are the backbone of any scalable Python application? Welcome to this video on creating robust Python packages. Today, we're going to explore best practices for structuring, documenting, and distributing your code effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to share your work with the world, ensuring it's maintainable and professional. Stick around to discover how to elevate your Python projects and make them truly impactful.
Creating a well-structured Python package is like building a strong foundation for your code. At the heart of any package is the _init_.py file, which can serve multiple purposes, from initializing package variables to providing a convenient import path. A typical package structure includes a root directory, sub-packages, and modules, all organized in a way that makes sense for your application. Following directory layout conventions, such as placing tests in a separate directory, ensures that your code remains organized and easy to navigate. Adopting these best practices not only helps in maintaining your package but also makes it more accessible for others who might use or contribute to it. Before diving deeper into package creation, it's essential to set up a virtual environment. This isolated environment allows you to manage dependencies without interfering with other projects. Using tools like venv or virtualenv, you can create a sandbox that holds all necessary libraries your project needs. This practice is crucial for avoiding conflicts and ensuring consistency across different systems. By the end of this segment, you'll see how straightforward it is to set up and activate a virtual environment, ensuring your project is both portable and stable. The setup.py file is the heart of your package distribution. It's a script used by setup tools to build and distribute your package. Within setup.py, you define metadata about your package, such as its name, version, author, and dependencies. You can also specify entry points for your package, allowing users to run scripts directly from the command line. Understanding how to craft a setup.py file correctly is crucial for automating tasks and ensuring your package is easily installed and used by others. Metadata is more than just information, it's a way to communicate the essence of your package to users and developers. Key fields include the package's name, version, author, and description. Semantic versioning is a standardized way to version your software, ensuring users know what to expect from updates. By following these practices, you maintain clarity and trust in your package, making it easier for others to know what your package offers and how it evolves over time. Good documentation is like a roadmap for your users, guiding them through your package's features and functionality. At a minimum, your package should include a README file that provides an overview and installation instructions. Docstrings within your code offer inline explanations that are crucial for users and contributors alike. Tools like Sphinx can help automate the generation of documentation, making it easier to keep your documentation up to date. By prioritizing clear and concise documentation, you enhance the usability and accessibility of your package.
Testing is a vital part of package development, ensuring that your code is reliable and functions as expected. The unittest framework in Python provides a robust suite for writing and running tests. By creating test cases, you can systematically check each part of your package for correctness. Running tests regularly helps catch bugs early and ensures that changes don't break existing functionality. Incorporating testing into your workflow not only improves code quality but also builds confidence in your package's reliability.
Once your package is ready, sharing it with the world is the next step. The Python Package Index, PyPI, is the principal repository for Python packages, allowing developers to distribute their work to a global audience. By creating a PyPI account and using tools like Twine, you can securely upload your package. Keeping your package updated and responsive to user feedback ensures that it remains relevant and useful. Publishing on PyPI not only increases your package's visibility but also contributes to the Python community at large. Maintaining your package is a continuous process that involves responding to user feedback, fixing bugs, and updating features. Effective version control practices, such as using Git, can streamline this process. Long-term support strategies, including documenting update policies and setting clear timelines, help manage user expectations. Regular maintenance ensures that your package remains functional and valuable, fostering a trusted reputation within the community. Congratulations! You've now learned the best practices for creating robust Python packages, from structuring and documenting to publishing and maintaining. I encourage you to apply these skills and start your package creation journey today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, share it with fellow developers, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Thank you for joining me on this coding adventure, and I look forward to seeing your packages on PyPI.